Hello and welcome to a more recent project of ours, this Mustang GT500, a very track-oriented American muscle car. This car is what I've heard people call the golden ticket car. So this is a carbon fiber track pack, which to me the most special thing about it is carbon fiber wheels. Those things are absolute works of art. Really sets this car apart. So this car is fully wrapped in STEK DYNOmatt PPF, which is a matte finish, clear PPF. So the color of the car is showing through. It's just been transformed in kind of like a frozen paint job kind of look. The ease of maintenance on this over matte paint is just worlds apart. Matte paint is an absolute disaster to take care of. It's very, very finicky. Matte PPF is a breeze to take care of. If the owner ever wants to change it up, we just peel this off and we can put some new clear film on that's just got a gloss finish, and the car will look like nothing's ever happened to it. Couple things walking around this car. We've kept all the black on the car. We've kept that gloss to give it some kind of contrast throughout. We're not going to do the whole thing in matte. And then we've kept the carbon fiber to match the wheels. We've kept that gloss. So one of the things also we did is we painted the antenna gloss black. The reason for that is instead of painting it in just a satin clear coat to kind of match with the gray throughout, we've done a gloss black to give the owner the option, because we've kind of been toying around with it, of doing the whole roof in a gloss black to kind of tie that gloss black that we see up front and on the hood, and then that kind of glossy carbon in the back, kind of tie that together, visually lower the car a little bit. Looking around this car, you see the body lines so much more with the matte PPF. And that's true of any car, but particularly this GT500. You see this crease in the door so much more prominently than if it is on a gloss car. What's cool about a matte PPF over a metallic as well is, especially in the sun, you actually see the metallic more because you don't have the reflectivity of that glossy paint kind of hiding that metallic in a way. This thing out in the sun looks insane. It's so dark in the shade, it's so light in the sun. Really dynamic look. I think the owner's gonna love it. I certainly do. If you guys are interested in seeing more projects like this, make sure to give us a like and a follow along for our next project. I'm sure we've got some stuff cooking in the future. That's always fun to take a look at and see what we do next.